welcome to our channel, Our Travel Friends. I'm Achal.
And Mohit,
We are traveling to,
Venice.
we are in Italy, and our first stop is Venice. We have reached the Venice airport, Marco Polo airport, and now we are thinking how to reach the center of Venice. Either we'll take a water taxi or we will take the trains. Come with us, let us take you through Venice, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. It would mean a lot to us. Please, please, please. So we took the bus. It costed us around 10 euros per head, and we will be going till Piazza della Roma. Sorry for the pronunciations. It's because we have to go to Santa Lucia station. So that's the nearby stop of the bus. We reached Piazza della Roma at around 10:15 in the morning. It's little cold here, so we are both wearing our jackets. It's windy as well as cloudy. We didn't expect it to be this much cloudy. That is why we planned it these days. But it's fine. Venice is Venice. You are in Venice. You have to enjoy it whenever you come here. Come, let's go and keep our luggage, and then we will explore. So we are actually staying only for one day in Venice. So what we decided is we will drop off our bag and then we will walk with free hands and we can enjoy Venice properly. So you can actually, there are a lot of luggage storage available near the central station. What we have opted for is the golden luggage, and it costed us around like 6 euros per day for one bag. You can easily keep any number of bags, and then it will cost you 6 euro depending upon the size of the bag. It's very convenient, and we really like this feature because we are anyways going to go to a different city in Italy in the evening. Chalo, let's explore Venice now. तो अभी हम लोगों ने अपना बैग ड्रॉप कर दिया है और हम स्टेशन एरिया एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं. वी विल सी यहाँ पे आसपास क्या क्या है देखने के लिए, एंड आपको भी दिखाएंगे साथ साथ. While walking, we crossed through this beautiful church and thought to explore it. And also, the entry was free, so we went inside and saw the church. After the church, our first stop is Rialto Bridge, and our plan to explore Venice is by footsteps. So we are going to walk around the narrow lanes of Venice. It's really important that you have your Google Maps downloaded wherever stops you have to go, because sometimes net doesn't work. These narrow streets are really confusing. You most of the time you lost your ways. So बहुत ध्यान से Google Maps यूज़ करते हुए अपने मेन टूरिस्ट अट्रैक्शंस पे जाइएगा. You also see these kind of signs in between all these lanes. It is easy for all the tourists to go to those places. We are also going to Rialto and the San Marco Square. Come, let's explore. There is a navigator. We have to just follow him. Wherever he goes, we follow.
Buongiorno. Buongiorno.
Buongiorno. I mean, just look how narrow these roads are. रात को तो पता नहीं क्या ही होगा. यहाँ पे कोई लाइट नहीं है या कुछ नहीं है. It'll be scary to walk here in the nights. But it's fun in day. We reached our first stop, which is Rialto Bridge. You can see that bridge actually behind me. बोला जाता है कि रियाल्टो ब्रिज के ऊपर खड़े होके सारे के सारे प्रिजनर्स को सजा सुनाई जाती थी, और नए लॉज जो होते थे वो सारे के सारे यहीं से अनाउंस किए जाते थे. इस ब्रिज की बहुत ज़्यादा हिस्टोरिक वैल्यू है वेनिस के अंदर. एंड you know, this bridge was built in 1100s and it has been rebuilt multiple times. So we came in on top of the Rialto Bridge. दोनों साइड के ऊपर मतलब अच्छी खासी सीढ़ियाँ बनी हुई है. And it connects two cities, San Marco and San Polo. And this is the view. So we have reached the second spot, which is Square of Venice. बोला जाता है कि ये यूरोप का सबसे ब्यूटीफुल स्क्वायर है. को एज अ ड्राइंग रूम ऑफ यूरोप भी बोला गया.
एंड ऑल्सो इफ़ यू कैन कनेक्ट, इसी लोकेशन पे बचना हसीनों की शूटिंग हुई थी, खुदा जाने सॉन्ग. I really loved this St. Mark's Basilica and wanted to go inside, so we decided to take tickets there, and it costed us around €3 per head.
So we came to a restaurant now to have our lunch come dinner because we were very tired after walking so much here. And these are our drinks. Our food is yet to come. I'll show you what we eat as well. This is what we ordered for our lunch come dinner. This is spaghetti, tomato and basil pasta.
After our lunch, we went to the water taxi station. You know, in Venice, the public transport is water taxi, and how can we miss that? So, this is us exploring Venice through the water taxi. Our water taxi ride is going to end, and the main reason we came to Venice is still left, the gondola ride. So next thing we are going to do is enjoy the gondola ride.
Hello everyone. So we just finished our gondola ride, and it was a dream come true. And to do this with you is like a very special one for me. How did you like it?
Yeah, it's good. It's like one of the things which we take in our checklist. So it's good.
Yes, it was amazing.
See in the background.
Yes, that's the gondola ride which we took. It costed us around 120 euros because I think it's evening time. In evening it will cost you around 120 euros, and in the daytime it will cost you 80 euros for 35 minutes. But it's once in a lifetime. So do try gondola rides. Hi guys, we are ending our Venice vlog here, and we are taking our train to next destination, which is Florence. Please do watch our next vlog regarding Florence. Currently, we are taking a train in the night because we didn't want to spend a night in Venice, since it will be like very vacant and very silent in the night here, and we want to sleep peacefully in Florence and wake up a little late so that we can explore it properly. So yeah, that's the end of Venice vlog. I hope you guys like it. At least I loved it because this was one of my checklist city to visit, and we visited it together. That was the amazing part. Please do subscribe to our channel and also follow us on Instagram, and keep liking our videos so that it inspires us to create such content. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in our next video. Happy travels.